Well, it took me 3 weeks to complete the course, mainly because of timing of a business change. But the course was easy to complete. Louise was a great help, and I'd recommend anybody doing it. I tried a mortgage broking course with another education facilitator, but it wasn't very good, and therefore I withdrew and then joined Entry Education, and now completed it quite simply. The 6 hours of training that I had with Louise to go through the course was fundamental. She was very knowledgeable and understanding of the process and the different topics, which helped me a lot, and very, very happy with the outcome. Thank you.